In this video, I am going to teach you how you can place application icons on your computer desktop. The first thing you should know is that it works for both Windows 10 and Windows 11. The first thing we are going to do is select the screen to the desktop with right click, and we are going to go to personalize. Then we're going to where it says themes. Okay, when we are in themes at the bottom, if you have Windows 11, desktop icon settings will appear, but if you are Windows 10, it will appear in the right. Okay, configuration of icon to desktop, but we also go to where it say theme, and now we are going to where it say upset. Okay, close here and go to the carpet. Then we have the application. They go to folder where the application add dual and then add will be all, guys. For example, I this application, and here is in the desktop. Thanks for watching.